Hi everyone, Cheers and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. Guys, today's video I'm going to try following Scott Bonus and Tatti makeup tutorial. I'm going to try new things and to see how it's gonna look on my face, and I am beyond excited to go and actually learn from the best. Scott Bonus is the best. So guys, if you want to see me recreating Scott Bonus and Tatti tutorial, just watch. Alrighty guys, so I am just gonna go straight to the video to see how they do all the process. And I just want to warn you that Scott Bonus doesn't use a primer, and that is really surprising me because I mean the primer, it's actually necessarily that when you do the makeup, it's to fill everything in the skin, and it doesn't do it. So I am really curious to see how it's gonna look. And you just go and already put the concealer on. So usually they always start from contour, and that's what I'm going to do. It's really weird for me not to put first foundation and then to do the all contour, but you know what, it's Scott Bonus and I am just gonna go and follow everything you tell me to do.
And I'm gonna go in ham, like I'm gonna use makeup, like I'm not gonna...
Okay, so basically you start to put the concealer on. Like I said, it starts from the contour, and I'm just gonna go and take this concealer right here, which this one is by Born This Way, and the shade over here is light. So I took a shade that is extremely light for my skin tone right now because I am really tan. That's what it does for Tatti too, and it uses a very light shade as well. So let's just go and do it. And you actually just go and kind of do this like under the eyes, like that. And then you put the concealer right here. So it is like so small, so I'm only trying to do the same thing that it does, but it's just like so hard. And then you just go and kind of draw a line on my nose to make it really snatch. Still like that.
What I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out and just working into the skin. Now I'm starting.
So basically, you're just gonna go and just kind of go downwards. I'm gonna use this blush right here, which this one is Eco Tools, and it's just the classic foundation blush, and it just gonna go like that, kinda. And I've seen in tutorial, all the secret is the blending. Like it can blend for hours, and that is crazy. Damn, wow, I look like really white. So my whole face looks already like really snatched. The next thing that I'm actually gonna do is actually start contouring the jawline. Now I really want a snatched jawline, and for the contour I am going to use this Bobbi Brown stick, which is shade Cool Almond. This one is just a foundation stick, but it's just extremely dark for my skin tone, so that's why I'm going to use white now. But I'm gonna use this one, which is a MAC 164. It's just a sculpt regular brush like you see on the shade. So you start from the jaw, from this line right here, which is this one, and then you go all the way on the jawline. Go and just looking like that, like downwards. Damn, like that is so dark. That is real dark. So after I got rid of my necklace, right now it's actually time to go and contour my neck and the chest. And let's see how it does it. So I'm just gonna go and take my blush and rub it on the foundation stick again and kind of stick it that way where my bones, like when you feel your bones, like that. And then it also take the contour and kind of do it right here. That way. I just wanted you to know that this technique that it does over here, it's literally for film. It is not anything to go to Target and walk around like that. Okay, right now it's start contouring the cheekbones. Let's contour the cheekbones. Let's contour the cheekbones. It basically just do this line right here.
And that's one of those things early in my YouTube career that so many people.
Do you have haters?
Oh, sure do.
I
The
don't.
whole camp. Oh, stop.
Okay, and then it actually take a very precise brush, which is almost like an angle brush, you know, when you do your eyebrows, that is really precise brush. So let me see if I have something like that. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna go with this brush right here, which is that shade. And this one is by Natasha Kashak, something like that. It's Kashak something. And let me see how it does the contour on the nose. Let's just go. Okay, so basically what it does, it creates, it draw a really small lines on the nose right here that really close to each other, so that really what helps you looks really snatched. Let's kind of overline it.
We're gonna start with the
He started ready, and I'm like, this is so relaxing, you guys. I usually sit here and I have to do all the work, and I'm just like, this is playtime. Hey,
okay, right now is actually
the Oscars.
putting the foundation all over the chest, like it completely changed our skin tone. Go and take this shade right here, which this one is extremely dark for my skin tone, but I guess that is okay because that's what it did for her. It literally changed the skin tone. This one right here is Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 and the shade is A29. Now, just to make things clear, guys, I use this foundation when I am honestly dark, when I'm really tan, but I mix it with other foundation that is a little bit lighter. But that's not the case here because following her chest. Okay.
The lighter foundation, because we don't want to take away the contour. Okay, just eliminating that lip. We're just patting over it gently, like that. She's there, but she's blend.
Spreading and go and blend everything in, like you blend all the contours. It all really looks really natural. This is a cream blush. Now I don't have any cream blush, but I'm using this by the SNATURAL, which this one is a Vision Flash in shade Tutu, and you can definitely use this as a cream blush. It's more of a lipstick, but you can definitely use this as a blush. I am most of the time using cream blush. I think that cream blush are great. Put on my apples. That way. Go and kind of like put it right all over. So I honestly don't have the highlighter palette that you use, but I'm just gonna go and use this, the SNATURAL highlighter palette. It's basically the same shades right here. Actually just mixing like everything over here. So I'm just gonna go and mix everything over here and kind of put it right here. Okay, right now it is using a bronzer to set the contour. I'm gonna use this Funny Beauty bronzer right here, which is called Bajan Jayal. I don't have this kind of brush, but I'm just gonna go with this bronzer brush right here and kind of just press it to my cheekbones.
Peaks, it's kind of like around. I think what is really most important when you're doing makeup too is, just like clothing, you have to look at proportion. You got a real purr mouth.
So, and use this lip pencil by Lancome because it's actually really dark and the shade is nude. And I'm just gonna go and connect the top right here. Like this brush right here, which this one it does have looks, and I'm just gonna go and blend the lip pencil, kinda. I feel like I got a face order or something. Like, look at my face, the lips, the face, the jaw, everything just looks snatched. My lips got bigger, like really bigger. Actually not putting any lipstick on the lips, and just go with the lip gloss. So I'm just gonna go and use my gloss bomb right here. I think this is the perfect one, and this one is shade Diamond Milk, and I'm just gonna go and kind of push it.
Which, this is again one of my powders, but it has shimmer in it, but a slight amount to it. And feel how I'm kind of working upwards and going against
So right now it also go in the gel and kind of set the contour. So I guess I'm going to do this too. Just gonna go and take the brush that I use and actually just go that way, which is genius. Like, you can already see how my gel looks much more snatched. Like, that is crazy.
I love that crease brush. It is pure magic and it has the right shape to do so much.
It works.
And that's, you know, I was talking about this before, that really you can use that one brush if you're just doing a very easy look in a few different.
Now, I think that I'm going to use with this eyeshadow brush because this one is like really pointed, and what it does is actually to get it really round. I guess I'm just gonna use this one, which this one called Sienna. Go and kind of do the same thing that it did over here. Just like do this, take it to the side, and kind of put it in the corner of my eye to just kind of do eyeliner. I'm just taking this much right here to create this, and it also going to the bottom lash line just like that. I'm gonna go with the rose pink right here and kind of put it just straight on my eyelid, just like that. This is the same thing that it did. Alrighty guys, and that was my video of me trying to follow Scott Bonnet and Tatti makeup tutorial, and that has it come out. And I just want to say that I am really amazed by his technique. It's just a genius person. But it took me almost 2 hours to get this makeup look done. Already probably because I'm also talking to you and I also need to follow what it does. It's just like so talented, and I really enjoyed doing this video because I was like, oh wow. Because there's some things that it did like completely the opposite, like not putting any primer, you know, not using blushes, not using the foundation first, do the contour first, and like that was like for me really hard to think, like to do the lips before I do my eyeshadow. I had so much fun doing this video and learn about new things that I have never tried before. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching me. Just before you go, make sure to subscribe my channel and press on the bell to make sure not to miss any of my content. And I will see you next video. Bye bye.